If I could show you a resource that isn't expensive, that you could use it with your whiteboard, would you be interested? It will save you aggravation from rewriting notes and from taking those just crazy looking just pictures of it that you can't do anything really with. It's called Rocketbook Whiteboard Beacons. I've been using them now for a while. I'll put a link down below where you can purchase them. The ones I have, there's 4 of them. I'm going to show you a quick video on using them, and I'm going to take you into the app. But the initial video that I show you would be more than enough just to get the hang of it. If you've used Rocketbook before, you're going to really like this. And what I got, I get these online, and I get this little pouch that came with them. So you'll see that they're not very large. I'll put an actual image of them, and like I said, the link below. So watch this video, and then right after the video, I'm going to take you into the app. We're going to go through it a little step by step. Today we're going to talk about Rocketbook Whiteboard Beacons, and that's what these are. I have 4 of them here, and they're amazing. They will stick to whiteboards. They're not glue per se, in the senses that they're not like a sticky note, but if they get dirty and they don't want to stick, you just clean them off and they'll stick again. They're not magnetic. I'm not sure if you're able to see here, but basically we're able to stick it to this whiteboard that's over here. That's actually part of like a wallpaper type of deal that I have. This whiteboard is on the back of a door. It is magnetic, but again, this will stick to basically any kind of whiteboard that you have. Okay, so the way it works is anything inside of the beacons, the app will scan, and you can send it off to your email, to OneNote, to Evernote, whatever you like it to do. In here, you'll see the double hashtags. You write that, you put the double hashtags. Anything you put inside of the double hashtags will be the header to the note or the notes that you're creating. I'll show you that inside of the app itself. So in this case, I just squared it off here. You can put it to the entire side of the board. This is my vision board. We have a couple of them going on, and so I have it scattered all over. And so as this fills up, I can actually scan this entire page, send it off for the entire whiteboard, and send it off as a page. In this case here, if I want to just scan this and just send it to family, friends, just a note, whatever you want to put inside there, you can. It doesn't matter how large this is per se, in the sense as far as you can stand back. You just basically open up the Rocketbook app. It's available for iOS and Android. You open it up, and all you have to do is you'll see that it comes up, it says position whiteboard within the screen. So we position it within the screen, it automatically finds the ends and scans it, and then it opens up. And at that point, I'll take you into the app itself and show you what it does. It is nothing short of amazing. All right, this is your main screen. It has your history, all your previous scans, destinations you've set up, your how-to, great tutorials. I recommend taking time going through it, and settings, which we'll start with first. Under settings, you can do scan settings. It's going to set up how the resolution and a few other things like that. Handwriting recognition, I recommend setting up smart titles and smart search. Smart titles is double hashtag. Anything writing in between the sets of double hashtag becomes a title for your document that you scan. Smart search is if your handwriting is good, it will be able to find the text when you're scanning it or searching it later, whether it be an email, OneNote, or whatever it might be. File naming template. If you have smart titles turned on, this doesn't work because it's going to default to your smart titles. If you don't have that turned on, you can set it up in this setting here. Email subject line is going to capture whatever file name or however you want it. I have it set up that it'll be file name, Rocketbook, and it's going to send that out in the email subject line, whomever you're sending it to. Under desktop, this is where you set up the various icons, what they're going to do. So you could have it set up as email, OneNote in this case, various different emails. You could have one going to Dropbox, you could have it going to Google Drive. So under email, you could change it to up to 5 different emails in there, or a distribution list if you want. Destination, you could change it if you don't want it to go to email. You could go to Google Drive, Evernote, and all these that you see here. PDF is a file type I have it set up. It's going to auto send when I scan it. OCR transcription is on. Attach and embed. The one I have set up for OneNote is going to go in as a PDF. It's going to auto send and OCR set up. Send as one file. It's going to attach it if it's a JPEG or however you set it up as. So I recommend you taking your time and going through these. I have the Apple icon set up to go to OneNote, Whiteboard Ideas, and the section is January 2020. We could talk about it another time. If you already know how to do this, then it's already set up as you see in here. And you can set up various emails or whatever destination you want. As I said, you can set it to Google Drive, OneDrive, if you're setting it up. So let's just say, for example, you're going to keep it, you're going to send it to a different email distribution. You could change it. You could have it as PDF or JPEG and so on. But on history. So this one here is scanned in this direction. If I want to flip it, so we're counterclockwise there. If I want to share it, so we'll say just to a text message, we can share it as a text message, just say share. If I want to delete the file, click on the trash can. These little icons here represent, again, as I showed you before, how they're set up. It will automatically will go when we scan something. So it'll automatically go to this email and it'll go to this OneNote called Whiteboard. Okay, so again, a lot of different things that you could do with this. We're not going to go through this in great detail. We've already talked a little bit about it. I really suggest taking your time and play with this, but it's a tremendous tool. I hope you enjoyed the video concerning the Rocketbook Whiteboard Beacons. If you liked the video, click the like button below, subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more videos similar to this, we're going to do more videos concerning productivity hacks and just life in general. So I appreciate you watching it, and we'll talk to you next time.